As welding specialists, our role at Messer is to evaluate our clients' operations on site, provide support, and find solutions. Following our visit, we do a technical analysis specific to the needs of their operations. We then invite the client to our facility to see how solutions we recommend measure up in savings and results. I calculated your current operation cost and compared them to the savings recommended in order to raise your production output and your gains in welding. We help our customer in providing and operating innovative automation solutions. The industry's new generation of robotics designed to improve productivity and efficiency. Our mission is to bring solutions in robotics, automation, work safety, as well as making welding processes better. Messer has solutions for you.